Hello, my dear listeners, and welcome to the Kapil Gupta Career Pod Show, your one stop destination for career guidance, expert insights, and real talk on making smart career moves. And if you're listening to this, chances are you or someone you know has completed BCom honors and now has one big question: Ab kya kare? Meaning, what's next? Let's be honest. Many students choose commerce not because they love it, but because they want to avoid science or arts. Maths tough लगती है तो कॉमर्स ले लो. Math is tough, so take commerce instead. Sounds familiar? But after 3 years, when graduation is over, reality hits. What should I do next? Recently, I got a message. Kapil sir, I'm in my final year of BCom honors and I'm literally freaking out. Help! Trust me, I feel you. Like, seriously, I was in your shoes not too long ago. Remember those relatives who would pop up at every family function with their favorite question: Beta, आगे क्या plan है? What's your future plan, kid? Well, guess what? Today, we are going to turn that dreaded question into an exciting conversation about possibilities. And no cap, we are going to keep it real, simple, and totally practical. Now, whether you're a first year student wondering if you made the right choice, or a final year student having those 3 a.m. anxiety attacks about the future, this episode is your personal roadmap. And in this episode, we'll explore the career paths available after BCom honors, their pros and cons, salary expectations, and how to plan your next move like a pro. So grab a snack, get comfortable, and let's embark on this journey together. And by the end of this episode, you'll have a clear idea of what you can do after BCom honors and maybe even discover some new passions. Hello, all. I'm Kapil Gupta, founder of Study Abroad Academy. I'm on a mission to coach and mentor 100,000 high school students and help them realize the dream of studying in the best universities of the world and build happy and successful careers for themselves. So, choosing a stream in school can be a bit like choosing a favorite flavor of ice cream. Some of us go for the classic vanilla because it's safe, while others might opt for the more adventurous rocky road because it sounds cool. But have you ever thought about why you chose commerce? Was it because you loved numbers, or maybe because you didn't want to deal with science and maths? Whatever the reason, it's great that you are here, and we are going to explore all the amazing things you can do after completing your BCom honors. So let's face it, the world of commerce is vast and exciting. From managing money to running businesses, it's a field that's always in demand. But sometimes we get so caught up in just passing our exams that we forget to think about what comes next. And that's why today we're going to dive into all the cool career options available to you after BCom honors. Now, whether you're interested in finance, marketing, or even starting your own business, we have got you covered. So, before we dive into the career options, let's address the elephant in the room. That why do so many commerce graduates feel confused about their career? Let me share some common reasons for confusion. No proper career planning. Many students pick BCom without thinking about what they'll do after graduation. Lack of research. They don't explore the vast opportunities in finance, management, accounting, and business. Then fear of competitive exams. Some avoid further studies because they don't want to prepare for tough exams like CA or MBA. And then job market worries. Many fear that BCom alone doesn't guarantee a high paying job. You know what? All these reasons are valid. But here's the thing, now it's time to level up and think about what's next. So let's quickly understand what BCom Honors is all about. BCom stands for Bachelor of Commerce, and the honors part means you get to specialize in a particular area of commerce, like finance or accounting. Now, it's a 3 year undergrad degree that gives you a deep understanding of business and commerce. Imagine you're building a house. The foundation is crucial, right? That's what BCom Honors does for your career in commerce. It lays a strong foundation. You learn about accounting, finance, marketing, and management, which are essential skills for any business professional. So, why do students choose BCom Honors? Well, it's because this degree offers a lot of flexibility. You can work in various sectors like banking, finance, marketing, or even start your own business. Plus, it's a great stepping stone for higher education like an MBA or CA. But here's the thing, many students choose BCom without thinking about what they want to do after graduation. Now, it's like buying a ticket to a movie without knowing what the movie is about. You might enjoy it, but wouldn't it be better if you knew what to expect? So, there are a few misconceptions about BCom honors that we should clear up. First, it's easy. Some people think BCom is easier than other streams, but that's not true. It requires a lot of hard work, especially if you want to excel. And number two, limited job opportunities. Now, this is another myth. The truth is, BCom honors graduates can work in many different fields from finance to marketing. And number three, no creativity. Now, people often think commerce is all about numbers and no creativity, but that's not true. You can be very creative in fields like marketing or entrepreneurship. But don't worry, whether you want to study further or start working, I'll help you figure out your best career path. So let's break down your options. And trust me, there are more paths than there are filters on Snapchat. Number one, the professional qualification route. First up, let's talk about those fancy professional courses that make your LinkedIn profile look fire. That is chartered accountancy, CA. Listen up. If numbers are your jam and you don't mind a challenge, CA might be your thing. It's like being a financial detective. You get to solve money mysteries and help businesses grow. And here's a fun fact. Did you know some CAs earn more than software engineers? No shade to tech folks, but numbers don't lie. Then, company secretary. If you are that friend who's always organizing everything in the group and loves reading the fine print, CS could be a calling. Think of it as being the corporate world's legal bestie. And I've already done a podcast on CS, so you can very well go and listen to it on my channel. Then, cost and management accountancy, CMA. For all my budgeting queens and kings who can make money stretch like rubber bands, CMA is where you get to flex those skills professionally. Then comes the master's route, MBA. Okay, this one's like the Instagram influencer of postgrad courses. Everyone knows about it. But here's the tea, you can specialize in finance, marketing, HR, or even digital business, and of course, many more. It's not just about boring presentations, it's about building your leadership game. And the network you build, priceless. Like literally worth more than your favorite designer bag. Then comes MCOM. If you're vibing with the academic life and want to go deeper into commerce, MCOM is your jam. Plus, it opens doors to teaching. Hello, Professor. Research opportunities, then higher positions in corporate sectors. And then comes the government route. For all my security loving peeps, bank PO exam, securing that bag literally. SSC, railway exams, state government jobs. And here's a pro tip: government jobs are like that classic black outfit, never out of style and always reliable. Then comes the entrepreneurship route. Now, this one's for my risk takers and dream chasers. Our BCom knowledge is literally the perfect foundation for starting your own business. Think about it. You understand accounts, you know business laws, you get market dynamics, plus you are young and full of fresh ideas. And remember, every big company started small. So even Amazon began in a garage. Then comes the digital route. Welcome to 2025, where being a commerce grad doesn't mean you are limited to traditional paths. You can become a financial blogger, start a YouTube channel about finance, be a social media manager, or work as a digital marketing specialist. And of course, create content about financial literacy. And then comes the higher education path, that is, for those who want to study further. So, of course, the MBA, best for students who want a corporate career in management, finance, HR, or marketing. So, I've already discussed that. So, entrance exam are like CAT, GMAT, XAT, MAT. Then salary ranges are from 6 to 25 lakhs per annum. Of course, that depends on the business school. Then, as I discussed, the chartered accountancy course. Yes, the toughness level is high. It's difficult, but rewarding. And the salary ranges are from 8 to 40 lakhs per annum, and especially after working in some big companies. Then, as I discussed, the company secretary, those interested in corporate law and governance. Then the exams are CSEET, then CS executive and CS professional. And the salary ranges are from 6 to 20 lakhs per annum. Then the certified financial planner, CFP. Now it's best for those interested in wealth management and investment planning. The salary ranges from 5 to 15 lakhs per annum. And as I discussed, MCOM, best for those interested in academics, research, or government jobs. The salary ranges is from 3 to 8 lakhs per annum. And then comes the financial risk manager. It's best for those who love financial risk analysis and banking. Then the salary range is from like 10 to 30 lakhs per annum. Now, if further studies are not your thing, don't worry. Let's talk about career options where you can start working immediately. So, no matter which path you choose, here are some skills that will make you stand out like a neon outfit at a black tie event. The tech skills. Now, in the tech skills, you can learn Excel, not just basic formulas. We're talking about VLOOKUP and pivot tables. Then Tally, the accounting software. Then digital marketing basics and data analytics. Then comes the soft skills, communication, because sending professional emails is an art. Then leadership, being a team player is cool. Being a team leader is cooler. Then problem solving, more important than, of course, your Instagram following. Then time management, as crucial as your morning coffee. Then let's talk about the challenges you might face. The competition. Yes, there are many BCom graduates out there, but here's the thing: you're not just another graduate, you are you. Focus on building a unique skill set. Then family pressure, peer pressure, society pressure. It's like a pressure cooker situation. But remember, your journey is your journey. Success isn't a race. It's okay to take time to figure things out. And with so many options, feeling overwhelmed is normal. But think of it like a buffet. You don't have to eat everything. Focus on what appeals to you most. So let me share a few quick stories that will give you hope. Ria's journey started as a BCom graduate, now owns a successful digital marketing agency. And her secret, she combined her commerce knowledge with digital skills. Then let's talk about Rahul's path. Went from BCom to becoming a famous finance YouTuber. He turned his knowledge into content that Gen Z actually wants to watch. Then let's talk about Neha's story. She chose to pursue CA after BCom, failed twice but didn't give up. Today, she's a partner at a leading firm. Remember, setbacks are just setups for comebacks. Now, let's talk about some job opportunities. Government jobs, of course, stable and reputed. Banking jobs, secure jobs in the banking sector with great benefits. Civil services, if you dream of being an IAS, IPS, IRS officer, then in railways, LIC, EPFO, various government job options for commerce graduates. Then let's talk about the private sector jobs, the corporate careers. Financial analyst, work in investment firms and financial institutions. Accountant, manage business accounts and taxation. Auditor, ensure companies follow financial laws. And then, of course, marketing executives, work in sales, digital marketing, or branding. Then digital and freelancing careers for the hustlers. Stock market trader. If you love the stock market, learn trading and investing. Then freelance accounting. Offer bookkeeping and tax filing services. Then digital marketing and SEO, one of the hottest fields today. And of course, e-commerce business. Start your own online businesses on Amazon, Flipkart, or Shopify. See, there's no one size fits all answer. It all depends on your interests and career goals. So here's your step by step guide to figuring out your next move. 1. Self assessment, meaning what subjects do you enjoy most? What kind of work environment excites you? Are you a risk taker or do you prefer stability? Then, number 2, research phase. Talk to professionals in different fields. Join LinkedIn and follow industry leaders. Then, third, attend career fairs and webinars. Read about different career paths. Then, number 3, skill development. Start with one professional course or certification. Learn a new technical skill every month. Work on your communication skills. Build your personal brand. Then, of course, number 4, network building. Connect with alumni. Join professional groups on LinkedIn. Attend industry meetups. Participate in college fairs and events. Then, number 5, seek guidance from experts. Talk to career counselors, mentors, and professionals. Number 6, gain practical experience. Internships, part time jobs, and certifications help you stand out. And last, don't follow the crowd. Just because your friends are doing MBA or CA doesn't mean you have to. So let's address everyone's favorite topic, money. Now, here's what different paths could look like financially. Entry level salaries, talking about the average ones in India, CA 6 to 8 lakhs per annum, MBA 5 to 12 lakhs per annum depending on the college. Then government jobs 4 to 6 lakhs per annum, corporate jobs 3 to 5 lakhs per annum, then digital marketing 3 to 6 lakhs per annum. And remember, these are just starting points. The sky is the limit when you combine skills, experience, and smart career moves. You have to carve your own unique path. So let's peek into the future of commerce careers. Let's talk about the rising stars: fintech, digital banking, sustainable finance, then data analytics in finance, then ESG consulting. And let's talk about the skills of tomorrow: AI in finance, blockchain knowledge, digital currency understanding, and last but not the least, sustainable business practices. So, all right, future leaders, let's wrap this up. Remember, your BCom degree is not just a degree, it's your launchpad. There's no one size fits all path to success. And it's okay to try different things before finding your perfect fit. The skills you learn along the way are never wasted. Now, your BCom Honors degree is like a Swiss Army knife. It has multiple tools, and how you use them is up to you. The world is changing faster than Instagram trends, and guess what? You're perfectly positioned to adapt and thrive. So, today we've explored so many exciting career options available to you after completing your BCom Honors. Now, don't wait for confusion to take over. Start planning today. Now, whether you go for an MBA, CA, government job, or digital career, make an informed decision. And remember that the key to success is planning and preparation. And also remember, no degree can guarantee success. It's your skills, mindset, and dedication that will take you ahead. And here's what you can do next: reflect on your interests. Think about what you enjoy doing and what you're good at. This will help you choose the right career path. Research. Look into each career option in detail. Read about job roles, salaries, and required skills. And gain experience. Try to get internships or part time jobs to build your resume. And network. Connect with professionals in your desired field to learn more about their experiences. And if you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, please leave a comment below. Love this episode? Share it with your friends. And still confused about your career? Book a counseling session with me. The link is in the description. And subscribe to the Kapil Gupta Career Pod Show for more career insights. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next episode.